I believe in the true nature of products and in conscious actions. The material of the future, it would be sustainable and reusable. We are taking a lot from the world, and I think right now it's the time to give back and use the resources as good as possible. For me, a good product is a very minimalistic approach. Nothing that you don't need, just focus on the simplicity, the beauty, and the good ingredients. Doesn't matter if it is a fashion piece or if it's a care brand or a cosmetic product, you want the ingredients to be as pure as possible. I think quality is everything. Innovation is everything, and it should last long. You should be able to also reuse the product that you bought. And design is very important for me. I'm a very visual person, and I want to be surrounded with less but great things. People want an honest product. An honest history is approachable, and you really want to know in one sentence what is the product all about. I couldn't work for a brand that doesn't give me the purpose in life where I stand 100% behind it. Progress for me is that the overall quality and luxury and overall feeling of the whole world is getting lifted up a bit. The whole world in general is improving so nature can breathe again. For me, the future looks much greener than it is right now. Greener cities, greener lives, people with more energy, less noise and smog, and just very clean. It's definitely not about only one person doing so much. We need to really come together and make the world a better place, and we all understand what the future needs to look like. Now is the time to find that direction, change that direction. Try to make an impact on nature, on the world, on every human being in your surrounding. Live your life to the fullest, but still in balance. Inspire each other. Have great ideas. We need to change something. Everybody should have the courage to do so. I think these are exciting times, and I'm very happy to be a big part of it. What is your story of progress?